PR package from the one, the only do you even lift, bro? Shein. So this was supposed to be delivered to me in February. Do I even lift? But I just received it now. They had some trouble getting to me, but I'm so excited. This is my very first PR package with Shein, and I know it's gonna be a start of a very, very beautiful relationship. So we toast. My boyfriend got us these champagne glasses because we're just fancy. We don't drink champagne. We don't drink any alcohol. We just like to have fancy glasses. So anyways, let's get started. I can't believe this is happening. It's happening. Oh my god. Oh, I gotta be quick because I gotta go home to my mom's house and stuff my face with food. So, oh my gosh. Wow. What is this? What is this? It's a rug. I've been needing a rug. I'm honestly so excited, but I don't know how to express it. Oh, I'm gonna put this in my bathroom. Let's open it up. I thought this was a blanket. I was already thinking like, give this to somebody. But it's a rug. How lit. Okay, so this can go on my toilet cover. Oh yes, I've been needing a new one. Thank you so much, Shein. This can go on my like my sink area. Yes, and this can, oh, this is a toilet mat. This is so random and I love it. This is exactly what I need too. It's crazy. Wow, I love it. And it's marble. You guys, what the heck? Oh my gosh. These are so cute. Look at this. These are avocado slippers. Oh my god. This is like if someone's at your house and they said something you didn't like, you go like this. Like you got your shoe on and you go like, what you say? What you say? This is cute. I've been needing new slippers too. Actually, I was just thinking about that. Because my leopard ones, I don't want them no more. So these are perfect. Oh, and they match my outfit right now too. Let's try them on. Then my oh, they're so cute. I wish you could see them. You can't see if you can't jump high enough, but this is what they look like. So cute. So cute. So cute. So what's the next thing? What is this? A sweatpants. I guess I should just open them without reading at home because I gotta go to my mama's house. Ooh, these are super cute. This package is so Asian and I'm here for it. I think I'm gonna wear these to my mom's house. They're so cute. These are so cute. I feel like guys and girls can wear this and it's so like, I actually love this material because if you can hear it, it's windbreaker material. So I usually, it's really like, I love it because I love sweatpants. But the thing is, it's like, you get windbreaker jackets, but rarely do you ever see like windbreaker pants. Pants are everything. Like I honestly wouldn't have even thought to get these myself, even though like I honestly wouldn't. Like it's like whoever packed this for me and looked at my profile and like saw that these were for me, like knows me better than I know myself. This is crazy. Like I actually am literally in love with these, and I have like a hat that matches this too. You shall see the debut of my outfit. Next thing is, what is this? It's a wallet. It's a bag. Ooh. See how I can pair I really like hot pink. I own some hot pink sweatpants, and I used to own some hot pink jeans. This is cute. How do you do this? It goes like this, and then it goes like this. You just put it in the little hook thing. Not the hook thing, the hole. Cute. Ooh, you see how this just like makes my black outfit? It just pops. And it's waterproof too. This is perfect. I love it. Next item. What is this? Mysterious item. It's a bag. And it has like Chinese words on it, scripture. I have no idea what it means. Maybe I should take it home and ask my mom what it means, because it'd be good to, you know. Guys, this is the face that my cousin's baby she makes when she's like super happy. She goes like, I don't know if she got it from me or if I got it from her, or we just came up with it together, because you know, Capricorn gang. But you know, oh my god, I love fur things. This is so freaking cute. Yes, this is like, don't touch me, stay at least 10 feet away from me. This means I have fur, so stay away from me, because I will be very mean. People who wear fur were mean. Okay, the next thing is, this is so fun. Oh my god, I could do this forever. Ooh, it's a shirt. I am here for it. Look at the lace detailing on the sleeves. Like, ooh, and then you got the big part. It's kind of like this one. It's like whoosh, phantom. It's giving me phantom vibes. Lingerie phantom, but also like conservative, sexy, modest vibes. Got a lot of black going on here. Ooh, this looks like a jacket or a skirt. Ooh, I could. This is cute. I love skirts like these. These really long pencil skirts. These are my favorite kind of skirts. The pencil skirts, but like the long kind. Even though I got laser hair removal, like I just love these. They're so modest and so sexy. I'm here for it. Ooh, these must be shoes. Okay. These are so comfortable. Oh my gosh. And I have wide feet too, like wider than the standard sizes. Ooh, these fit perfectly. I could walk in them. I could be bossy in them. I could do things. I love them. They're like more comfortable than Jimmy Choo's. Yeah. White jeans. No way. Oh no, it's a skirt. I've never had a white skirt, like a jean skirt before. This could be really cute. Like, I don't know what I would pair it with, but it's super cute. Definitely need some nude panties for these ones. Next thing I got, I wonder what this is. It's like a big thing of this thing. I feel like it's like something for a car. Look, they have like the, what is this called? Like a dust bag, like the designers stores. This must be a bag. Ooh, this is cute. I've seen something like this recently and I've actually really wanted it. Cute. I could fit a whole rotisserie chicken in here. Fun fact, when I used to have a bag this big, I actually put a whole rotisserie chicken in there. But I'm vegan now, so you know, we ain't gonna do that. But I could probably fit like 5 things of broccoli in here. This next thing I just need to move off. What the heck is this? I don't know, but I'm here for it. I'm living. Oh my god, I actually just went online and seen this and I actually really wanted it. It's an avocado bag, guys. I'm sorry, you were talking to me? No, I didn't see or hear you there. This is cute. It matches my pajama set and my slippers. so cute. I'm here for it. Cute, super cute, yeah. Ooh. This is everything. This is so cute. It's like a cute activewear top. It says babe. I love white clothes, by the way. Ooh, this is cute. Definitely need some good lingerie for this. Ooh, this is so sexy. Ooh, look at this. It's like a, oh, that's the back. These are like angel wings. You see them? They're like wings. You can't really see them, but like, it's like this. It's like a cute, really sexy piece with angel wings. I would definitely wear like a really cute bra with this, and then you gotta, of course, you gotta have your nude panties, and pair this up with some like really cute white heels and just look like an angel. So the next thing we have is, I love this material. Look how sleek and shiny it is. Oh, this is cute. This is sexy. Has a cross in the back. This is really cute. You gotta wear this with a fur coat. You just have to. The next thing we have is I got my favorite. Oh yes, I love these. These are like super in right now. The crop. You see how the crop is like, it's like that. So you have like a slit. So it's like modest, because it's like a, you know, plain black shirt. But then you got the pizzazz that also says like modest. I'm in black, but I'm fashion. I feel like any age can wear this too and rock it. I remember watching the reel, and I think they were talking about like CoverGirl, and there was this really like older woman, like she was like in her 80s or something, and she was wearing that. Gonna do a squat. Oh, I can tell I like this one already. It looks like a peplum. Ooh, it's a blazer. Ooh, so cute. Try it on. It looks like this. That's what it looks like. Oh my god, it's actually really cute. How form-fitting is this? And it's got the white to like show people it's a two-piece, not a one-piece. So cute. Oh my god, I love it. And it's got the shoulder popping, because you know, strong women have strong shoulders. Okay, we're down to our last two goodies. So the first, oh, is this a scarf? It's a dress. Oh, this is super sexy. I would have never thought to get something like this. I don't know if it's a nightgown or like a go somewhere dress, but it looks like a go somewhere dress. It's super cute. Oh, you could even pair it with something like black underneath. These would be super cute with like some statement heels, you know? Like some blue heels or something just very minimal. I really like this. The print is so pretty. I used to wear print, like different kinds of prints, like floral prints. Like one time I had a really floral jacket in middle school, and my sister would be like, you look like a sofa. And the very last but not least, white, my favorite color. Oh, it's a white color. Been needing this. Business professional clothes. I love it. I got so many business professional clothes. I would have to say my favorite thing that I received